Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make tteokbokki in a not so tteokbokki manner, in the Talking Addicts style, my personal style. So the first thing I'm doing is adding the gochujang to the pan with a little bit of water. Then here I mix the yaji is a northern spice with gochugaru, and I added it to the mixture. Then I added a little bit of soy sauce and sugar. Yes, you heard me right, sugar. And now I'm adding the rinsed tteokbokki to the mixture. And you know, as Nigerian that I am, I'm adding a little bit of seasoning because we are mixing Nigerian and Korean styles. You get what I'm saying? So I'm mixing it up, and I'll take it to the gas for it to cook. So here I'm stirring, just waiting for it to sizzle. So the mixture should become thick. Yes, look at how it's sizzling. Oh my god, it was scenting so nice, guys, so nice. And I'm waiting for it to get thick. Yes, now this is what we're waiting for. This is the consistency. And now I'm just serving it. I'm serving my plate with boiled egg. I had it with boiled egg. I had it for breakfast. It was yummy, guys, yummy. As you can see, it's quick, easy to fix, and yeah, that is how I make the Talking Addict style tteokbokki, not so tteokbokki recipe. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Bye. Mwah.